And now for the final assembly of Funky Congo, the hand pattern. So this is, we're going to again break this into two halves, and the very top half is all alternating. So we've got strong, wild, strong, 2, 3, 4. Funky beats, they come, 2, 3, 4. Funky beats. Okay, before we go any further, what's the note after the word beats? What's the word they? Does it have a line under it? No. Then what is it? It's a wild hand. So watch yourself. So we have a strong, wild, strong. So we're going to end on our strong hand. 1, 2, ready, and 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And one more. So looking at even a little further, the wild hand has the tap, right? The word they. Well, they come. So that word they, you want to go ahead and open your fingers up. You're coming right off the bass. The hand has had nothing to do for 2 beats. It's well rested. You can respond. So we got funky beats. They come. 2, 3, 4. Close, close, close. Open, close. 2, 3, 4. Funky beats. They come. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And one more. Okay, so we just ended on our strong hand tone. Now, looking at the bottom line, it starts with a strong hand tone, right? From the Congo. So we're going to have a double strong hand right there. And then we're going to go back and alternate the other way. So we've got like this. Funky beats, they right, left, right, left. Funky beats, they come from the Congo. Funky beats, they come from the Congo. Funky beats. That's all right. Make sure you're bending your wrist, lifting those notes off the drum. Double right. Double right. Funky beats. Stay right, right, left. Okay, one more time. So we've got funky beats, they come. And then right there's another right hand right in a row after that. They come from the. So they and from, or come and from are both right hands. Saying the words should help you be able to do that if you're having trouble with that. Here we go again. 1, 2, ready, and. Right. Double right, not left. Not left, right. Double right. Check your hand pattern. It's all the way alternating, all the way to the word come. All alternating. Then you do a double right, not a double left hand. Okay, one more time. 1. I know. Just if you're saying the words, it really does help. If you're actually saying them out loud, not to yourself. Say them to the drums. Say them to your hands. They'll listen. 1, 2, ready, and. Right there, you missed your left. There you go. Did it again. Double right. Funky beats, they come from the Congo. Funky beats, they come from the Congo. go. Funny little rhythm there. Now I was talking about the backwards cuckoo-ca-choo. Usually we do cuckoo-ca-choo, right? Strong, wild, wild, strong. But the formula is just one hand by itself, two hands, the other hand twice, and the other hand once, right? Bum, 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 bum. So if you reverse it and go left, right, right, left. Is everybody here right-handed? I'll just go left. Left, right, left. Well, watch what happens. Funky beats, cuckoo-ca-choo. Funky beats, cuckoo-ca-choo. Funky beats, they come from the same rhythm as cuckoo-ca-choo. So I always revert to cuckoo-ca-choo when I can't think of anything. When I can't remember, I say, it must be either a cuckoo-ca-choo or boom chaka. It's usually one or the other. Okay, let's go ahead and put these two together.